Hey, what's up? This is another beautiful tutorial and you are on the UAY YouTube channel. Today I'm going to reveal to you free keyword research tool that you can use to rank your website in a jiffy. In this video, I'll be taking you through on how to find free to use website for keyword research. It's new, it's good. You can find a lot of keyword, high quality long tail keyword research that you can use to rank your website, your affiliate marketing, your WooCommerce, your blog, your entertainment website, any kind of website, free of charge. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.
It's based a bit.
Yeah, welcome back. Yeah, I will be taking you through on how to find low keyword research, free keyword research tool website that you can go and do your keyword research. If you don't have money, this website will give you the opportunity to find low, high quality, long tail keyword research that you can use to rank your website. So we're in the homepage of Google. Now what you need to do is to type keyword seeker.com. So this is keyword seeker. Then click on it. This is keyword seeker homepage. Now just type what you want to do, your content, what you are planning. For instance, WooCommerce, or let's say, okay, for this example, let's say SEO latest trends. So this will start sitting for you now. It's working. It's working. You see, it is loading. It is loading. SEO current trends, new trends in SEO 2022, new trend in SEO 2023, and the location is United States. You can change your location to wherever you like. But for the sake of this tutorial, I choose United States because that is first tier country where people are searching, where their CPC is so high in AdSense and other advertising agency for ad network. So it is loading. I also set an sub-region in United States if you like. And choose sub-region. You see the list that he has generated for us without paying. Latest search engine optimization trends, new SEO trend 2022. You see new trend in SEO, recent trends in SEO. New trends of SEO. Recent trends in SEO. New trend of SEO, current fashion trend in SEO. You see current fashion trends in SEO. So if you are done with this, I can stop and I copy this, select all, paste, copy, go to notebook, open one, target SEO, keyword research. Paste it here. Go back to keyword seeker. Refresh the page so you can research for another one. Start. Enter new keyword. Let's say digital marketing now. Digital marketing. So the base of the seed keyword has been typed. Then now, where do you want to search? Is it United States? Is it Canada? Is it Australia? Whatever. So for this, I choose United States to see what is going to happen. Then you can go to advanced options and try to United States, the sub-region. I think it is available for Pro. Let's just start digital marketing. Then let's start. See, it is loading. It is loading. Digital marketing platform, digital marketing question and answer, digital marketing research, digital marketing techniques, digital marketing university. There are many. Digital internet marketing. Let's see for resume. There are a lot of long tail keyword that is generating for us free of charge. So if I'm done with this one, I just say stop. Then copy this, select all, copy, paste it here. Now you see you have hundreds of keywords that you can: digital marketing specialist job role, digital marketing specialist job duties, digital marketing specialist KPI, digital marketing specialist career here. There are many of them. You see what the keyword sitter has done for us. So you see it has generated a lot of keyword for us. Digital marketing YT. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. You see, digital marketing job, long tail, digital marketing traineeship, Amsterdam, digital marketing agency Rotterdam, digital marketing at work, digital marketing at a feed, digital marketing agency agent. There are many of them. So when you see the one you want to write about, digital marketing course, Google, digital marketing certificate, or digital marketing certificate by Google, you can copy this one. Go for the SEO metric of it to look for. After you have gathered the one you like, go to ahrefs.com to keyword generator, free keyword generator 2 to see the search volume. After searching for search volume, you see the KD, the keyword difficulties, and you can start writing your content on it. I hope this is beautiful for you, and you can try keyword shitter, and you will see the amazing result of it, and you can do a lot of things with it and get your content right and find the low quality long tail keywords. So if you like this particular video, please kindly give me a thumb up, like, and comment. Please make sure that you do drop the comment so that I will know what I'm doing makes sense to you. This is AYTube channel. In my next video, I will be taking you through on how to get quality free backlink to rank your website. Bye bye.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based a bit.